Hello guys, so welcome. In today's video I'm here to discuss what you are seeing displayed right here on my screen. SecAyo family partners, CEDEX and WIGMA. I believe when most of you saw this announcement on the official Telegram page of what SecAyo team developers, you felt as if your whole effort of mining this airdrop for over a year now is about to go down the drain. Now believe me when I say this, now the integration of what CEDEX and WIGMA will make SecAyo airdrop to be one of the biggest airdrop that has ever been airdrop in history. I believe when you had that statement you felt like, hey bro, bring in your facts. Now here we go. If you have been on this channel for a while now, you will discover that before I say anything about any project, I make sure what I do my research about the project, then I bring it down here on the table. Now if you are an old subscriber, you are going to be testifying to that. Now first of all, we are going to be starting our discourse for today with what? WIGMA Web3 wallets. Now if you listen to all these things, if you have left mining the airdrop before, maybe you just took your hands off the boat because of all this delay, after watching this video to the end, you are going to be going back straight and continue mining, because what, your harvest is about to what, be given to you. Now quickly let's get started. Now what is WIGMA itself? WIGMA is what? A Web3 what? Based wallet. The word WIGMA is coined out of what? A Native American country home that actually looks like a dome and enclosed what? Shelter. Now WIGMA itself what? It's a DeFi wallet. That is what? It's a decentralized finance based wallet. Now first off, we are going to be discussing what is what DeFi, because most of you might be new to these words and you don't know these words. Now with my clear explanation of all these things and giving you a full-time breakdown, you are going to be understanding why I say SecAyo airdrop is about to be one of the biggest airdrop in history, because this is not actually the regular pattern that most airdrop have actually followed, and at the end of the day you actually get what we call golden premium dust. Now guys, if you are seeing this channel for the very first time, do ensure what you like, you comment and you subscribe. Let me know the country that you are watching this video from. Indicate your country with your country flag in the comment section. If you are watching this video from Nigeria, do ensure what you indicate the state you are watching from. Now here is my Telegram channel. You can find my Telegram channel. The link is in the pinned comment in the description box. Now on this my Telegram channel, you can see there are different airdrop that we are farming and we are mining. Now on this my Telegram channel, you can have direct access to me and you can ask me questions concerning cryptocurrency and concerning any airdrop before you make any form of turn transaction payment. On this my Telegram channel, currently we are doing what we call trading, and virtually most people out here are getting what good testimony and they are what making money from wherever country that you are from. You can actually what participate in the trading, because this is actually what crypto trading and you what make money. I can guarantee you that if you start up with a capital of what $10, within what a week you'll be getting what your capital return back. So if you want to know more about that trading and financial aspect for trading, do ensure what you look for my Telegram channel, because the link is in the pinned comment in the description box, and you quickly what join, because I'll be talking more on that on the Telegram channel. So quickly let's dive to our focus of the day, which is what the WIGMA. Now again, I told you guys that WIGMA is actually what a DeFi Web3 what based wallet. Now let's start from what is actually DeFi. DeFi is actually what? Decentralized finance. That is to say, a decentralized finance, that is, it allows what it's a peer-to-peer financial system that makes use of what blockchain technology and cryptocurrency and allow users to what directly what transact with each other. A DeFi actually what it aims to reduce the need of intermediaries such as what banks and exchanges by allowing its users to be able to what perform financial transaction without them. Now all this my explanation, the end point I'm going to is to clearly what explain to you guys what this integration for what the airdrop, what its impact it's going to become. On a norms and on a normal time, we have seen that different airdrop, what they do is that they just get a group of they just grow their community and they have people mining it, and at the end of the day when people are done mining it, they just get a popular blockchain. Either most times on, as far as Telegram is concerned, most time the blockchain that airdrop have actually what released their token on happen to be turned, and at the end of the day we all got what we can't actually believe. But now SecAyo is what's going to be what a game changer. If you look to their news, if you see, they're actually what pleading with you guys. I tell you for real is that what they are, you can see what they are saying here on their last statement. They say we are creating a whole new layer that will what change how things actually work. Now this last statement that you are seeing here, creating a whole new layer, is an indicator that there is a possibility that SecAyo is not actually going to be a token but actually going to be a coin, because the difference between a coin and a token is that a coin operates on its own blockchain, and while a token operates on an existing what blockchain. A coin and a token are not ranked the same. If you actually know the prices of coin and everything, they are not ranked the same, and most times at the end of the day they don't get listed at a very poor price, because what the use case of that what coin, because it's operating on a blockchain and different coin, and people can make transaction on that blockchain. That's going to what cause a lot of traffic, that's going to cause that coin itself to increase in price no matter how much it's being listed. And Sekai happens to be one of the top 100 trading apps, so you can imagine them listing their coin, what is going to bring to in the market. And I love the fact that these developers are taking out their time to do this. Now quickly guys, we are discussing what WIGMA. I'm done defining what DeFi is, so you can understand, you can join these two words together to understand. Now what is what WIGMA Web3 based wallet? Now WIGMA itself happens to be, it's an open source self-custodial crypto wallet. Now WIGMA itself happens to house most popular blockchain such as Ethereum, such as Polygon, such as BNB Smart Chain, Arbitrum, and EVM compatible. Now WIGMA wallet itself, it enables users to be able to trade, right? You can trade and perform transactions, and at the end of the day they have this MPC technology that ensure that your funds and your trade are actually secured. Everything that is happening within the wallet is regulated by you. Now you can imagine SecAyo. Now let me tell you guys, for my research I discovered that SecAyo actually, if you see the word they actually made use of here, they call them family and partners. And for my search I discovered that these two actual people they call family and partners happens to, for me, I think it's actually something that is actually owned by them, because shortly we'll be going to Play Store, and when we get to Play Store you are going to discover that WIGMA itself, the whole interface, right, and you are going to be seeing it's actually backed up fully well by SecAyo itself. And WIGMA is actually a beautiful wallet if you get to see the interface. I'll be taking you guys to Play Store, because as at when WIGMA was actually out, you have to install it through Chrome extension. But currently now as we speak, every people that make research have actually gone to download the wallet on Play Store. It's available on Play Store. I don't know if it's available on iOS, so you can just go and search and ensure that you open an account and be fast. Now like I said, WIGMA enables you to you can even store assets like NFTs. If you are familiar with MetaMask wallet, right? If you are familiar with the interface and how everything actually works, then you should be able to understand what WIGMA actually is. And at the end of the day, SecAyo is bringing in WIGMA for the sake of an airdrop. Remember what I told you guys, that was whensoever an airdrop, right, it's being brought out by a set of developers, their primary aim is not you. You are at the bottom line, and you are going to gain from whatsoever they become in future. Either they become a loss or a failure in future, you will become that at the bottom line, because you will be at the receiving end. So if they become a success in the future, you will be a success because you are at the bottom end. Do you understand this mathematics? Now let's get straight to CEDEX. I'll be talking more on that. If you have any question, please ensure what you ask me in the comment section. Now when we get to CEDEX, I discovered that CEDEX itself, it offers a seamless way to exchange cryptocurrency. Now for CEDEX, it actually combines what we call centralized and decentralized financial system, and it's currently as we speak, it supports Ethereum network and EVs and ERC20. That's what actually supports, and currently they're also building on the app so that they will be able to have an integration for operation of other swaps and other blockchain aside from Ethereum. Now all these things that SecAyo is doing is primarily it is targeted to an airdrop. They never mention and say, okay, this is our product that we are trying to push out to our community. No, if you read clearly these announcements, right, if you look to the latter end of this announcement, they were specific that they do not want to hurriedly list let me just read it. They say, right now we are polishing every details of our project. Why? Because we are building something crypto really needs. Now a token that's randomly we get from airdrop is not actually what the crypto family actually need, because there are so many tokens that actually scattered and listed all around. You understand? So a token is not actually, if they are listing just a token, they will not be making this kind of bold claim, because if you are providing a solution to the cryptocurrency market itself, then it's not just a token you are going to be listing. I hope guys, with everything that I've said, you guys so far should have understood that what SecAyo is planning is something that is going to be huge. And again, I want to remind you guys that CEDEX itself, they're actually having an airdrop that is forthcoming. As at when I'm making this video, the snapshot is closed, but they have not actually officially fixed a date. So if you go down to my Telegram channel and if you check the description box of this video, you are going to be seeing the link so you can start mining the CEDEX token. Their snapshot is very close. So as soon as you see this video, make sure you head straight to my Telegram channel so you can see the link for CEDEX, and also you can check it in the description box. Thank you guys for watching this video. I believe with what I've said so far, I've been able to enlighten you guys and encourage you more to take SecAyo airdrop serious, because you are going to be making a lot of money in the nearby future on SecAyo airdrop. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Drop your country flag in the comment section, and do ensure you join my Telegram channel. Thank you guys.